Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Offers. I hope this video finds you well. So today I'm back again with another video to show you another website that will pay you at least 25 US dollars to do some task online. Okay, I had already uploaded another video that another video of a site that will pay you at least 30 to 50 USD to do some task online. So you'll find the link to that video in the description of this video, so go and watch it, and make sure you also apply for an account in that website. Okay, so the site that will pay you at least 25 USD to do some task today is called Taskers, this one. So just open your browser and search for Taskers. Click on the first link you'll get. It will land you to this page. Make sure you read through the site, understand what they're trying to do and the vision they have for their clients. Okay, now if you are looking for a job in this site, place where you'll find jobs, you need to scroll down and come here. Okay, click on careers. It will take you to their career page here. Read through it. Okay, but to make application you just need to click on apply now. It will take you to their next page here. Just click on apply for a role. Okay, where it will land you to the next page here. Now here is where the difference is. Now you need to check for your country on this listing. Okay, like now they are accepting my applications from Canada, Colombia, Croatia, Greece, Hungary, India. So my India friends, if you're watching this, you can go ahead and apply for an account from this site. Okay, Ireland, Japan, and obvious, if you come down you'll find United States and United Kingdom. Okay, so to my Kenyan friends and Nigerian friends or any other part, if your country is not listed in this listing, you can still apply by using Mologging or GoLogging. So like for me, my country is not listed there, so I'm using Mologging. You can see like my running account is for Dallas, that is United States. Okay, these are some of my accounts that I'm also using. You see I have like a remote task account, OneForm account, and ClickWork accounts. Okay, so you can use Mologging by a proxy, then apply for this role. Okay, so you need to click your country to take you to the final page where now you'll have to accept, then you'll have to do the official registration. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, kindly give it a like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time we upload new videos like this. If you still have some questions, just ask them in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer all of them. And don't forget to share it with a friend, okay, who might also need this video. So until next time, bye and be blessed.